Welcome to High Pointe, an exclusive gated community where casual luxury and privacy converge, tailoring an unparalleled coastal living experience. This spectacular oasis boasts an impressive 600 feet of private beachfront access, inviting you to savor the tranquil beauty of emerald waters and sugar white sands at your leisure. Ease of accessibility is guaranteed with a thoughtfully implemented ADA accessible ramp, ensuring seamless mobility for all. Unwind in our lavish pool, cleverly designed with a captivating waterfall, providing an idyllic sanctuary where you can relax to the rhythmic cascade of water. The inviting hot tub nearby offers an irresistible touch of indulgence, perfect for your post-sunset relaxation. High Pointe also brings the rare treat of beach view dining to the grounds with an on-site seasonal restaurant, Krabby Steve's. Offering casual coastal cuisine, it's open daily until sunset through warm seasonal months. For those who appreciate a little friendly competition, they've recently revamped the tennis and pickleball courts, as well as the kids' playground, providing a modern and exciting avenue to stay active and socialize with fellow residents. It's more than just a community. High Pointe is a haven of exclusive coastal living, all conveniently situated within reach of the vibrant local scene.